we're asked to verify a trig identity like this one, what should we do? Coming right up. The first thing we want to think about here is, what does it mean to verify? We cannot just start out with saying one side equals the other side and then play around with one side or the other side. That's like starting out with what we want to show in the first place. We have to start with one side or the other and show by a series of logical steps that we can arrive at the other side. So I'm going to start off with sine 2x plus cosine 2x multiplied by cotangent 2x, and I want to think about, what does that equal? What do I have to do to show eventually by a series of logical steps that this equals cosecant 2x? Well, there's no way to really simplify sine 2x, so I'm going to leave that the way it is. Same with cosine 2x, but I can break cotangent 2x up into cotangent of 2x divided by sine of 2x, because the cotangent is the sine, a cosine over the sine. So now I have two terms, but one of them has a denominator. So I'll write the intermediate step here. For many of you, this will be a mental step. So now I've got sine 2x cosine squared 2x all over sine 2x. And of course, now what I need to do is put this over a common denominator. So I'm going to get sine squared 2x plus cosine squared 2x, and it's all going to be over sine 2x. And you'll remember, of course, that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. That's one of our fundamental trig identities. So this becomes 1 over sine 2x. And that, of course, by the definition, is the cosecant of 2x. And there it is. I've shown what I wanted to show. In the comments below, tell me if this makes sense to you or not and why. And don't forget to subscribe.